Good afternoon, guys. Well, it's raining here in Georgia today. Um, I am out here doing a little work in the trailer on the zero turn. As you know, um, with these zero turns, they come with a tubeless front caster, and so I got my first last week. Sometime I got my first flat caster. And I said that I was going to change out these casters for some no flats. So lo and behold, this is the original one here that was on here. Um, and right here, this is a Manhattan. Put you down here. This is a Manhattan no flat. So I am currently installing these no flats on my zero turn and gonna give these a try. So just want to do a quick video here of them. I know a lot of folks out there in the community do no flats on their zero turns. Sometimes they do tubes and these tires, but I went and wanted to give these no flats a try. So for the guys out there in the lawn care business, tell me what you think about these no flats. I've heard some mixed reviews about them. Sometimes they make the mower ride, um, harder. Others say they don't really notice anything. Others they don't have any more flats. So let me know what you think. I got these off of Amazon. See if I can do this with one hand. So that's what it looks like. It already comes with a bushing in it. So it's basically that hard rubber. Got a grease spot on it. I'm going to grease it up. So, yeah, you guys tell me what you think. She'll be back out tomorrow, sometime tomorrow afternoon, and get these yards caught up and go from there. So, hey, take a moment if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, keep mowing, guys. New Hope Cuts. Thanks.